Hi student, I am Naik sir. I welcome you to this online class. Today I am going to teach passive voice, how they will ask in exams. Regarding that passive voice, I'm going to discuss now. Yesterday I had discussed with you people about active voice, passive voice introductions. Means slide given examples uh, how become a passive voice from the active voice. How to make a passive voice from the active voice. Today I will teach you one sentence, then go to uh, stanza wise sentence of passive voice. See, first one, the sentence is there. I have written here. The incident dash happened in 1977. These lines I have taken from the Everything I Need to Know I Learned in the Forest, from that chapter about a village woman. Advani, a village woman, she fought against her husband in Himalaya rain again. So at that time, see, the incidents dash happen in 1970. Happen given in the bracket. Main verb already given in the brackets. See, first we have to look that whether that sentence is belongs in which tense. If you see that sentence is belongs in so and so sentence, then we can fill passive verbs. Yesterday I have told you people the main verb whichever they have asked in bracket, that main verb should goes into past participle tense. Goes into past participle tense, means main verb third form. See, the incident here, two things you have to remember. First one, the subject. Which one is subject? The incident is the subject, and then bracket given word is main verb. Okay, and this one is subject. So before that they have given a blank. There, what to feel, how to feel, means what to feel means helping verbs. How helping verbs will be filled there? According to subject, whether it is a singular or plural. See, the incident is a singular, so singular, and this sentence is belongs to in the first tense. This sentence is belongs in a simple past tense. It is a simple past tense. Then goes to the subject. That subject is called a singular, and then here will come was. Okay, then main verb happen. The main verb always given in the bracket a present tense, but while making passive sentence you have to make in third form. See, the incident was happened. See, the incident was happened in 1977. Likewise, see, one more sentence I will tell you. Many books dash write by Vandana Shiva. So this sentence, while reading it, we can understand this sentence belongs in the simple past tense. When it is simple past tense, then see, then next thing is the which one is the subject. The books is the subject, and that books is whether it is singular or plural. We have to know it. So books is a plural. Plural means simple past tense. What will come? Where written by Vandana Shiva. See, many books were written by Vandana Shiva. So likewise we have to fill. Now I am giving one sentence. Later on I will tell you the stanza wise how they will ask a passive sentences. See, one more sentence I have given here. Nowadays the animals dash see in the bracket more in the forest. See, nowadays the animals dash the main word given in the bracket, that is see, and more in the forest. See, nowadays means present tense. Think it, keep in the mind. Nowadays means a present, now. So then it is a present tense sentence. Then next thing is, which you know is subject, the animals is the subject. The animals is subject. That subject is belongs in a singular or plural. Whether it is singular or plural, it is a plural. Plural means what will come according to present tense? Are. Okay. Then go to the main verb, that is given in the bracket. What they have given? See. Then make it into third form. Main verb third form, that is see, saw, seen. Nowadays the animals are seen more in the forest. See, likewise you have to make a sentences. One more sentence I will give you. See, all the questions dash answer given in the bracket in forest in today's English paper. See, all the questions dash in bracket, which word is answer in today's English paper. See, all the questions, okay, and then dash answer given in the bracket in today's English paper. Today's means now, present tense means now, that. See, present tense it comes to, then is a present tense. Then the subject, which one is subject? Questions is called a subject. So that subject is whether it is a singular or plural, it is a plural. Questions, plural means are. Okay. Then given in the bracket, which word is answer. So that word make it into main word third form. How it changed? Answered. In today's English paper. See, all the questions are answered in today's English paper. Likewise. Okay. See, now I have discussed some one sentences. Now I am going to the stanza wise sentence. How they will ask a passive sentence in exams. According to like that, we will go on discussion. Okay. See, the first one stanza they are given. See, I have given here. The kingdom of Monaco was a peaceful country. Once a murder dash commit, that main word given in bracket. There they dash force to look for ways to try, and the criminal dash punish. See, likewise. So while reading that stanza, we can understand whether that stanza belongs to present tense or past tense or which tense. Okay. See, when you go to read the stanza line by line, then you can understand that sentence is belongs in which tense. See, I will tell you one thing. Whichever the passive sentence given in the exams, almost all 99% will be asked in simple past tense, means past tense. Okay, 99% I am telling you. 1% they will ask in present tense, simple present tense. These two tenses you keep in the mind. If you keep in the mind these two tenses, then easily you can fill it and get out of marks from these questions. Keep in the mind. See, 99% is a simple past tense they will ask. 1%, whether one questions or one sentence or one questions will be asked in present tense. 1% I am telling. Remaining 99% they will ask in past tense, simple past tense. So while reading the sentence, you have to understand whether that sentence is belongs to in a which tense, whether it is a past tense or present tense. See, the kingdom of Monaco was a peaceful country. Once a murder. Once means past tense. Past tense understood no? See, murder. Then here before that blank, that word is called a subject. Before the blank, which word is called a subject? See, murder. Murder is a subject. Subject means whether it is a singular or plural. You have to think. It is a singular, then bring was. See, it is a murder is a singular, then was. Here commit. That main verb goes into third form. Main verb third form means past participle tense. See, commit, committed. Committed. See, once a murder was committed there. Okay. Next sentence in that stanza. They dash force to look for ways to try and the criminal. See, they see that sentence also past tense. So the past tense means it is a plural. They means a plural. So they were forced. They were forced to look for ways to try and the criminal. To try and the criminal. Dash punish. Criminal dash punish. Punish means see the criminal is a subject. The criminal is a subject. Whole sentence belongs to the first tense and the criminal is a first singular. So singular means was. Punish, punished. Okay, see. You have to feel like this. They will ask 3 questions. 3 marks, 3 questions in that passive voice. If you feel I asked here 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 3. 1, 2, 3 means likewise. They will be asked in the final exams. Next one. See, next chapter. Everything I need to know from the I learned in the forest. From that chapter. See, next one stanza is Navadanya. That is everything I need to I learned in the forest. From that chapter I have taken the stanza. See, first read the stanza, then you come to know that stanza is belongs to in which tense. Then after you have to before the blank which word is called a subject. According to that subject, whether it is a singular or plural, then main verb. Bring the helping verbs, then main verb make it into main verb third form. Then it became a right. Okay, see. Navadanya form was started in 1994. The farmers dash request. See, the whole stanza. 1994 means past tense. The farmers is a subject. Subject means it is a plural. Plural means were. Where is in bracket given a request. If that main verb goes into third form. Main verb third form. Then it become a requested. Okay. Requested to contribute to the seed bank. Okay. Next line. Training and demonstration. Training and a demonstration dash give. Training and demonstrations were given. Both are there. Training and demonstration. Both were given to the participants. Okay. Then 300 varieties dash saved by the movement. See, then the variety is a subject. It is a plural. Plural means where saved by the movement. See, likewise. Navadanya farm was started in 1994. The farmers were requested to contribute the seed bank. Training and demonstrations were was given. Sorry, singular was given to the participants. 300 varieties were saved by the movement. Okay, likewise. Next, from that the gardener chapter, I have taken from that chapter that this stanza. See, a fence dash built around Tammanna's land by Basavaya. Both of them encouraged by their supporters. Tammanna dash advised by his supporters about getting back his land. This stanza shows in fast tense. While reading, you must understand that stanza is the stanza are line by line. Belongs to which tense? I told you people. See, in these questions, almost all 99% will be asked simple past tense, or else 1% in present tense, simple present tense. In these two tense will be asked, not in other tenses. Keep in the mind. Okay. Forget it, all these tenses. Only two tenses you keep in the mind: simple present tense and simple past tense. In these two tenses they can ask. So keep in the mind. See, offense, already this stanza is also belongs to in the past tense. See, offense is a subject, is a singular. So was. Here build means in the main verb third form, or how will it become? Build around a Tammanna's land by Basavaya. Both of them, both of them is subject, so it is a plural. Then were encouraged by their supporters. Tammanna is singular, subject, it is a subject, so it is a singular. Then what will come? Was advised in third form, main verb third form, by his supporters about getting back his land. See, likewise. Okay, understood now? It's very easy. There is no difficulty here in the while doing a passive sentences. Keep in the mind. Once again I will tell you, they will be asked in simple past tense and 1% in simple present tense. 99% in simple past tense. 1% in a simple present tense. Means like I have given here. See, nowadays the animals are. Nowadays means present. Likewise, when while reading the stanza, if comes nowadays, today, now, or about universal truth, the sky, the earth, then it become a present tense. Then it is called a present tense. So at the time you can fill whether it is according to subject, whether it is singular or plural. If it is singular, is. If it is plural, are. Remaining in past tense, if subject is singular, was. If subject is plural, were. Likewise, you filled it. And then main verb, make it into main verb third form. That is must. Whichever that verb given asked in the bracket, that verb should make in third form. Main verb third form means past participle tense word. See, next one. Next one is that, see, yeah, this is from also the gardener chapter. A palatial building dash built by Basavaya, it dash filled with gold and valuable things. A number of persons dash appoint to praise him. This is also past tense. Almost all they have asked in the past tense. That's why I given almost all past tense sentences. Rare will be asked in present tense. See, a palatal building. A building is a subject. A palatal building is a subject. A palatal building is a subject. It is a singular. Singular means was. Palatal building means a was. Then main verb which are given in the bracket. That main verb make it into third form. Main verb third form. That is called a past participle tense. So build. See, a palatial building was built by Basavaya. It dash fill. It is a subject. Subject, it is a singular. Singular means here also was. Singular was. Filled. Filled with gold and valuable things. A number of persons. A number of persons means a plural. A number of persons means plural. A subject. Persons were appoint given in the bracket, that's in present tense. We make it in past participle tense, then it become a appointed to praise him. Understood? See, likewise, see, a palatial building was built by Basavaya. It was filled with gold and valuable things. A number of persons were appointed to praise him. Okay, see, likewise, one more stanza I will ask you, discuss with you. See, this is from the water chapter. I think after taught, then you can understand that chapter, that lesson. See, the water, written by Chinua Achebe. Chinua Achebe is one of the greatest novelist as well as writer, essayist writer there. See, Roop, the name of the person. So dash no, a bracket given in the bracket, that verb, to everyone in the Umofia. The campaigner of POP party met him. No words dash waste, given in the bracket between them. Roop dash give £5 to cast vote for Madhuka. See, this is stanza also says in past tense. So almost all stanzas are saying in past tense. Likewise, I have asked you. Why means almost all they have been asked like this only, in past tense only. Rare 1% will be asked in present tense. One questions among three, one questions will be asked in present tense. That's why I give like that. Even I had told you people, given a clear cut. What nowadays, now, today's, or universal truth things in that sentence is there, then it is called a present tense. Remaining things, almost all, they have been asked in past tense, simple past tense. See, last stanza. See, Roop is a subject. Subject is a singular. Singular means was. No, known in main verb third form. Known. Known to everyone in Umofia. The campaigner of POP party met him. No words were. It is a subject. No words means it is a subject. It is a plural. Plural means what it come here? Were. Wasted. Wasted in PPT. Between them. Roop is a subject. It is singular. So then it here become was, give, gave, given. Given £5 to cast vote for Madhuka. See, Roop was known to everyone in Umofia. The campaigner of POP party met him. No words were wasted between them. Roop was given £5 to cast vote for Madhuka. See, like this they will be asked in the exams. You should prepare like that only. I have discussed with one sentence and also with stanza wise sentences. Yesterday I have discussed the active-wise, passive-wise, how to make a passive-wise from the active-wise. Each and everything I have been the passive-wise have been the passive-wise have been active-wise, passive-wise have been discussed. I have discussed a lot of things. Suppose if you have any doubts or if you have any problems to about this, you can ask me directly and get to know. Whatever my analysis are analyzed about the passive voice. If you have understood, I think you have understood. Suppose if anywhere you have a doubt, you call me and make clear about your doubts. Okay, thank you one and all. In next I will take a direct indirect, not tomorrow, next week I will take. Thank you one and all.